my god, what did just happen? Well, I can't able to play Minecraft. What's going on? Let's check it out, guys, and we will see what's actually happening. And oh my goodness, just check this out. Many people are reporting there is a major outage going on, and it's the server connection issue. And just check this out, guys. The Minecraft servers are officially down. Heading on to the Twitter, you can see we got flooded errors, and it's from Mexico, France, Polska, and all the locations basically. So it's a major outage, you could say. Checking on to the Minecraft official Twitter page, well, unfortunately there is nothing officially stated by the Minecraft official page. Now when it's gonna fix, that's the main issue. We'll check it out, and let me refresh the page. Oh my god, you can see. Let me check the Minecraft's official page for any sort of a confirmation. No, there is nothing over here. Let me check out the latest tweets into the Minecraft. Looks like the Mojang servers are finally down. And guys, just now we got official confirmation from the Mojang status. They are stating there are currently issues with their services, and they are investigating and repairing those services as well. So officially Mojang servers are down and you can't able to use my Minecraft as of right now. So let's hope for the best. Hope the Mojang servers will get fixed soon and we can able to play the Minecraft. I hope this video was at least somewhat helpful. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.